Hi class, this is Dr. Yankowski. I wanted to walk you through registering for Connect and navigating Connect once you're registered. The website is going to allow you to gain access to the practice quizzes, which are called Learn Smart quizzes. The required topic quizzes, which you could see here on the left-hand side of your screen, we have 4 topics this term, and the midterm and final exam. All of that will be contained within Connect. So it's really important before you start the term that you register for Connect. It's also where you will have access to the ebook. So the readings for the semester will also be contained within Connect. So from the Start Here module, I give you a direct link. I also give you links in the syllabus and in the Connect information, but I give you a direct link to register for Connect by just clicking on the hyperlink from the Start Here module. And you're going to begin by entering an email address. So I'm just going to create a fictitious email and click begin. And this is going to be where you're creating your account. So you're going to retype in the same email. I don't care what email it is that you use. Just remember the email address because that's going to be the login information. And then your password information. I sometimes tell students to either save this to your computer or your tablet that you're using or write it down. One of the issues technologically that I find with students is that they forget the password because you're using so many different passwords. So if you just save it or write it down, you'll always have access to it. And then enter in the first and last name. And this is important because this is going to show up on my end for your gradebook and Connect. So you do actually want to use a real first name and last name. Select a security question. And then agree to the terms and conditions. I'm not going to save it to my computer. And then here's the option that you have. If you buy the materials from the bookstore, it'll come with the access code and you'll just enter that here. If you're bypassing the bookstore, it'll be $90 and you'll just use a credit card and you can click that. If you don't have the funds currently, you have a 2-week free trial that you can click access now with the temporary access. That's what I'm going to show you today because I'm no need for me to have to pay anything. So once you've gained access into Connect, when you do use the free trial, it'll constantly remind you 2 weeks from today. And then you can see here that the first landing page in Connect is going to be the assignment due page. Just to open this up, click on the menu in the top left, and then click on the class that we're currently in. And then this mirrors the same topic format that we have in Moodle, right? So when you come back here, you have the 4 topics, the midterm, and the final, and that's mimicked here. So if you open up topic 1, you could see here you have chapter modules. These are the optional Learn Smart practice quizzes. I recommend students, especially for the first topic, to play around with these. I don't check any of this. It's optional. The grade doesn't count, but it will help prepare you for the required quiz. So you can see here, you can always tell the difference between the two. This will have an SBLS, that's Smart Book Learn Smart. These are optional. And you can see here the quiz actually does have a due date and available from for this term, March 25th to March 31st. All of the topics run in the same format. You have your optional quizzes and then the required quiz, the midterm exam, so on and so forth. I also do want to point you to this tab right here is where you'll open up the textbook. So clicking on that tab will bring you to the textbook. And then you could see here the chapters are available. And you could sort of read this at your own pace depending upon what topic that we're in. If you do have any questions, please email me before the term begins. That way you have familiarity and understanding of Connect and the different assignments that are contained within Connect. And I hope you have a great term. I'll see you in Moodle. Bye-bye.